Welcome to our tutorial on using blockchain for provenance tracking. Today, we're going to dive deep into how blockchain technology can help ensure transparency and traceability in supply chains. Provenance tracking is vital across various industries, from food to pharmaceuticals, as it helps businesses and consumers verify the authenticity and origins of products. Before we get started, let's define what provenance tracking is. Provenance tracking refers to the process of tracking the history of a product from its origin to the final consumer. This process is crucial for quality assurance and fraud prevention, providing a reliable way to trace back the path a product has taken. Now, let's briefly discuss blockchain technology. A blockchain is essentially a distributed ledger that securely records transactions across multiple computers. Changes to the blockchain are immutable and transparent, which makes it an excellent fit for tracking provenance. We will be using Ethereum's blockchain for this tutorial. First, ensure you have Node.js and NPM installed on your machine. Then, we will set up a new Ethereum project using Truffle, a well-known development framework for Ethereum. Once you've initialized our Truffle project, we'll configure the Truffle project to connect to the Ethereum network. Open the truffleconfig.js file and set the network settings. We typically use Ganache for local testing. Next, let's create the smart contract that will hold our provenance data. Create a new file called provenancetracking.sol in the contracts directory. In this contract, we have a product struct that holds essential data, such as name, origin, timestamp, and owner. We also have an add product function to add new products to the blockchain along with an event to log the action. Now that we've defined our smart contract, let's compile it to ensure there are no errors. Run the following command in your terminal. If everything compiles successfully, we can now migrate our smart contract to the blockchain. This process will deploy the contract using the Truffle framework. With our smart contract deployed, it's time to interact with it. We'll use the Truffle console to add a new product. Let's open the console. Within the Truffle console, we will first get the instance of our provenance tracking contract. Then, we can call the add product function. We can also check if the product was added successfully by fetching the product details from the blockchain. Let's check the details of the product we just added. You should see the details of the added product logged in the console. This confirmation showcases how easy it is to track provenance on a blockchain using smart contracts. Now, let's discuss how we can build a web frontend to display this data in a user-friendly way. For simplicity, we'll use a basic HTML/JavaScript application to fetch and display product information from our smart contract. Create a new file named index.html in the frontend directory. Here we will set up a simple form to add products and a section to display all added products. Now create a new file named app.js. In this file, we'll write the logic to connect to our Ethereum smart contract using web3.js and allow users to add new products from the front end. In this code, we set up the Web3 connection and create an instance of our smart contract. We then add an event listener that triggers when the user submits the product form, calling the add product function on the contract. Now let's fetch and display the list of products. After a product is added, we will refresh the product display. We now have a simple yet functional decentralized application, dApp, that allows users to track the provenance of products on the Ethereum blockchain. Users can submit product details through the front end, and you can track them using the blockchain. To summarize, we have learned how to use blockchain technology for provenance tracking. We created a smart contract that holds product information and built a web frontend to interact with it. This overall experience illustrates how blockchain can revolutionize supply chain transparency. There are limitless possibilities on how blockchain technology can be adapted for various industries. As you develop more complex tracking systems, consider adding features like multi-owners, multi-product tracing, or integration with IoT devices to enhance data input. Thank you for watching our tutorial on using blockchain for provenance tracking. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on more blockchain-related programming tutorials. Let's continue exploring the incredible potential of blockchain technology together.